gross, but
it's gonna work.
it's their shade. Are you freaking kidding me?
Stupid ass
Are
sun.
you freaking kidding me?
The foil's still pretty warm.
The sun will come out. That cloud's.
Crap.
Move your foot. We got this. I'm determined to outlive my husband.
I am too.
And we're going to be in the nursing home, and the sun's coming. I
Yay.
don't know what that is.
Oh, it's chocolate.
The sides are getting like hard. Except for over here where it got all watery. You know what's really gross? Looks really gross?
Mayos.
Canned chicken.
Ew.
Yeah. My dad used it in a dip. Oh, it's my grandparents. Hello.
Well, they're in Chicago.
I thought that too.
You could be dyeing your hair.
We could have been dyeing our hair. We could have asked them to stop by Walgreens on their way. I wonder if they sell hair dye at the gas station. I doubt they do. Shop. Come on, son, come back out. I'm trying to fry this egg.
Do you have a flashlight?
No.
We could always still just go ask them and get it.
It's in the car. My mom said we could get it when we come back from picking them up from PBS. I don't want to go. I go tomorrow. I'm not doing it this year.
Is it getting harder? It's been 2 minutes.
Hey, you boy, crazy girl.
Hi.
Hello. Check their noses weird.
I know. Oh, the sun is coming!
Yes!
Haha. We're going to fry this egg.
Shoot it.
Whoa. Ow! Got it
Gosh,
stuck in my finger.
Sizzling.
It's sizzling. You can see bubbles down over there, but they're itty bitty. I got an eggshell stuck in my finger. How smart am I?
Very.
Ow! I'm talking to myself.
Katie, it's hard.
No, I said ow. Oh my God.
We're frying an egg! Mr. Jenkins will be so proud of us.
I know. Wait, why would he be proud of us?
Remember 2 years ago, our survival course?
Oh, yes.
Are you getting hot?
It's starting to bubble under there. You can see it. You can see it. I got an eggshell stuck in my
I'm
finger.
shocked no
That's
one's asking
retarded.
us what we're doing.
I know.
It's just normal for 2 girls to
Because
be
it's just
recording
normal
an
for
egg.
2 13-year-olds to be sitting on the side of the road with a piece of foil and an egg and an iPhone. Really? Come on. It's hard on the sides.
Is that
kind
a
of.
bug?
It is. It's gross. It's like a gnat or something. I'm gonna get
It kind of
my-
looks like a heart.
Oh my God! It does. I'm taking a picture of this.
And then you're texting it to me.
Don't mind screaming.
Then text it to me, okay?
Okay. Text it. Oh, my back of my legs are like wet. It's gross. It's this octopus all over again. No! Are you kidding me?
Watch this. Grab the other side of the foil.
Let's leave it there. We ruined it again.
Go.
Put it back up there!
Go!
It worked, Sarah. Go away. You're gonna ruin our egg.
It's not gonna work.
Shut up, it will work. We have hot foil here. Stop.
There's a bug in it.
Stop, you're gonna mess it up and it's not gonna cook.
Aww.
It's cutie. It's a cutie. It's a cutie. Where it is?
Gabby, go.
It's a cutie.
Go! I have my hand on her back. I didn't push her.
What egg?
It's stuck in there. This egg.
No, I know, but I can see your grandpa.
We popped it.
We popped it.
Oh, fudge. Yeah, we kind of popped it on accident. Yeah, we're gonna go in.
Good. We popped it
On accident.
because it was pokey, so we poked it.
It was tempting. We were going.